Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Math Hub. In our today's session, I will be taking you through Pure Mathematics, a UNEB 2025 that has been recently done by the Senior 6 Mathematics candidates. So let us move through the questions together. We shall start with question number 1. So we have question number 2, 3, 4, and question number 5. So let us look at question 7, 6, 7, and 8. So that was section A. That was section A. And next we shall look at section B. This is section B. We have questions 9 and 10. Then we have question 11. We have question 12 and 13. We have got question number 14. So we have 14. We have question 15 and 16. And that's all about paper 1. That's all about paper 1. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We shall now be coming up with the solutions to each of these questions here. And we shall be beginning with paper 1. We shall look at the solutions to all these questions. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can always get updated and notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let us meet within the next videos.